Just a short flight away lies the diverse pleasures and gorgeous coastlines of the Canaries. Located in a fantastic area, this beach is a white, sanded paradise. With plenty of shops nearby, you'll want to leave a little space in the suitcase. The parasols and sunbeds ensure soaking up the sun has never been more comfortable. But a holiday isn't all lounging around. Feel the thrill of the wind at your back with a bout of windsurfing. You'll want to catch the nearby attractions. These options and activities make this a great choice for families or friends. So go on and treat yourself to a little fun in the sun.